Hey everyone, I'm Eric Landry with the Eric Landry team and Keller Jacksonville Realty, your mom's favorite realtor, and today I'm sharing a quick look at the Northeast Florida real estate market for February 2026. Whether you're thinking about buying a home, selling a home, or just keeping an eye on the housing market, these numbers are going to help you understand what's happening right now. So let's break it down. First, closed sales in February, we had 1,957 homes closed across Northeast Florida. That's up almost 24% from January and about 5% higher than this time last year. So what does that mean? More buyers are getting deals done, which is a healthy sign for the market. After a slower start to this year, we're seeing activity pick up a bit. Now let's talk about our home prices. The median sales price in February was $350,000. That's up about 1.5% from January and about the same as last year. So what does that tell us? Prices in Northeast Florida are holding steady. We're not seeing huge spikes, but we're also not seeing big drops. This kind of stability is often a good sign for both buyers and sellers. Now looking at price per square foot, the median price per square foot came in at $198. That's up about 2.6% from January, but slightly down about 1% compared to last year. The small shift just shows that the market is adjusting as inventory and buyer demand change a little bit. So speaking of inventory, this is a big one. Active inventory is now at 9,642 homes on the market. That's up about 3.6% from January, but still down about 13% compared to last year. So what does that mean in simple terms? We're seeing more options for buyers compared to last month, but inventory is still a little bit tighter than it was about a year ago. Next, we're going to talk about new listings. In February, 3,165 homes were listed for sale. That's down about 9.7% from January and about 17% compared to last year. So fewer new listings can sometimes mean more competition for the homes that are available, especially if buyer activity keeps rising. So take that, how you take it. Finally, let's look at days on market, which tells us how long homes are taking to sell. So the median days on market right now is 52 days. That's slightly faster than January, but still a little bit longer than last year. So homes are still selling, but buyers are taking a little bit more time to make decisions. It's actually pretty normal in a more balanced market when you're looking at that 6 months or so worth of inventory. So what's the big takeaway from the February 2026 Northeast Florida housing market? Sales are increasing. Some of that's going to be seasonality. Some of it might be a trend. Prices are holding steady. Inventory is improving just slightly right now. Homes are still moving, but buyers are taking their time. And for buyers, today's market creates a little bit more opportunity and flexibility than we've seen recently. You may have more options and a little more time to evaluate homes before making a decision. For sellers, success right now comes to smart pricing, strong marketing, and great presentation to attract buyers. I always say let's make the biggest splash we can right when we hit the market. Every neighborhood is going to be a little bit different though, so if you're wondering what your home is worth in Northeast Florida, or if you're thinking about buying a home this year, I'd love to help. You can reach out to me anytime or schedule a quick call using the link below. And if you found this update helpful, if you like this information that I'm putting out, if you like the content, make sure to like, follow, and share so you don't miss any future Northeast Florida real estate market updates. Again, I'm Eric Landry, your mom's favorite realtor with the Eric Landry team and Keller Jacksonville Realty. Hope you guys are having an awesome start to the year, and we'll see you next time. Bye.